Getting to Cinahl through the library's homepage can be done at library.fau.edu. Whether you have a PC, tablet, or a mobile device, you can get to the library homepage from any of those, as long as it has internet access. This is the library homepage as it would appear on a PC. If you are off campus, you can select the Off-Campus Connect link, that's the little key here. This will authenticate you as an FAU student. The databases offered by the FAU libraries, including Cinahl, are restricted to current students, staff, and faculty. This lets the system know that you are currently affiliated with FAU. You can log on using one of two ways, using the FAU Net ID logon on the left, or the library account sign-on on the right, where you use your 14-digit OWL card number to log on. Just to give you a quick example of how it would look, I'm going to select the FAU Net ID sign-on. I can log in using my FAU Net ID and then my password. Once I'm successfully logged on, I'll get a little message and then it will take me back to the FAU Library's homepage. Now, I'll show you how you can get to Cinahl. One way you could do that is through our library homepage. Here in the middle of the page we have the Databases tab in gray. You can select that. Here is where you put down the name of the library database you want to find. I'm going to indicate Cinahl. This will take me to a page that provides a link to Cinahl Plus with full text. I can select that link, and then it will take me to the search page for Cinahl. I wanted to conclude this presentation with some tips for using Cinahl from off-campus. Earlier we talked about logging on to Off-Campus Connect Easy Proxy to authenticate yourself. If you're unable to log on, contact the library at area code 561-297-6911 and they can see if anything is wrong from the account end of your library account. I also recommend that you check your computing device, whether it is yours or your work's computer, for accessibility. It's important to know if the firewall and the security settings may keep you from using the FAU libraries from off-campus. In my next recording, I will show you how you can use keywords to search for articles in Cinahl.